at how you can create and assign labels in Vira. So in HubSpot contacts, click on any contact, navigate to the Vira CRM card and open it. Click the hamburger menu and click on labels. Here you can see your already existed created labels, and you can also create a label from here. You can choose a label name, a color, and save it. Now in order to assign a label to your contact, you can simply hover on that contact and you will be able to see this drop down arrow. Just click on it and you will be able to see the assign label option. If you click on it, you will be able to choose what label you want to assign to that particular contact and save it. You can also pin messages. So this essentially helps you to pin any important conversations that you have or may need urgent attention. So once you log back in, you can simply just see that pinned message at the top.